Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore things to do in your selected city on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen and click on trip plans. Select a trip, and after that click on the overview button in the middle of the screen. After that, you should slide to the right side and tap on the start button in the explore things to do section. Click on explore, and here you can see the top places, you can see wine, cheese, champagne tours and other options. Here you have a bunch of options in the explore section, so tap on the relevant one that might be of your interest. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you can start browsing the tips. Here you can see the trips, and you can tap on a relevant one to get in-depth information. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.